Hey, what's up, you happy people? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning in my channel. I'm at Wakefield, Rhode Island right now. I'm going to make a deep sea fishing trip. Today's target is going to be blackfish. Today is nice weather. It's much warmer than I expected, and I'm hoping to have a good trip. Passing fishing, happy living. I will update you when I get to fishing spot. Crab are used as bait for the blackfish. To prepare the crab, trim off the legs and cut in half. Is that good size? Look at this. This is good. Come here. Ooh. This is a good keeper. Nice. This is nice. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. This monster fish. Oh. Pretty good. Oh, look at that. It's stuck right on the water. That was something. Oh, look at that little guy. Little guy. Oh, sea bass. Tiny sea bass. Tiny sea bass. What do you think this? Fighting. Oh, you get stuck. Yeah. Fly fish. Caught them on the bottom.
All of a sudden.
What's the thing this? Oh, that one.
Another keeper up. Yeah, this one.
Yeah. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, what a good day. We caught the limit of the blackfish, which is 5 fish per person. The weather is so cooperative. It's warm and calm. We have good time. I brought back a few of the blackfish with me from the trip. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe. It's called squirrel fish. Mindful cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's start preparing the fish. First, remove the scale and then take off the head and the gut. Next, let's fillet the fish. Take off the rib cage at this time. Now it's time to make a slice cut on the fillet. Be sure not to cut through the skin. Let's prepare some ginger scallion juice with cooking wine. Marinate the fish with salt, ginger scallion juice just prepared, and white pepper. After 20 minutes of marination, remove all the ginger scallion and dry the fish with paper towel. First, coat the fish with flour. Then, with the cornstarch, thoroughly coat all the exposed meat. Now fry the fish fillet under medium heat. Fry the neck piece of the fish for making squirrel head. Fry the fish for a second time to make it crispy. Let's make a squirrel from the tail, body, and the head. Decorate the squirrel with eyes and the whisker. Prepare the sauce. Dissolve 2 tablespoons tomato paste with 1 cup of water. Add 3 tablespoons sugar, 3 tablespoons vinegar, and 1 teaspoon salt. Boil the sauce to make it thicker. Add some seasoned oil to make it shiny. Now pour the sauce over the fish. This is the squirrel fish I'm talking about. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you could, please give me some up and be sure to subscribe my channel. The subscription is free, and your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.